Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Claude code and get 1 billion tokens every day for completely free. So in this video I'll show you how to set it up. So as you see, we are opened the VS Code and the directory is completely empty. And for the requirement for this video, you should have Claude code installed. So I'm assuming that you have Claude code installed. So as I type Claude right here, by default it will try to use the paid API key. So if I tried a message here, hi, it will give me this message that API error. You need to use the correct API key. So this is completely normal. So for this tutorial guys, for getting 1 billion tokens every day, we will be using this website called as OpenRouter. OpenRouter, if you haven't uh, known this website is completely free and it contains thousands of models every day. Whenever there is a new model released in the market, this is a best website for getting a free API key. So just create an account using your Google account. I've already done that. And after that, simply go to API keys. So just create a free API key. And for here, you need to create a folder. This folder will be .claude. Just create a folder .claude, and after that, this create a file inside this which will be settings.local.json. So basically we will be configuring this open router to actually allow us to use 1 billion tokens every day. So create a .claude folder inside this settings.local.json. So after that, I've given the code in the description of the video. Simply paste that code. So I've given all this code, the JSON code, in the description of the video. So base URL, as you see, we are setting this to openrouter.ai/API. And this API key, you will get this API key from this. So click on new key, just give it a name and click on create. So this will give you your API key. Simply copy this and right here you paste this API key. That's all that you need to do for the configuration. And for the default model, Opus Fable, as you see, we are using the Opus Fable model right here, as you see, through OpenRouter. And we have actually replaced these free models right here, as you see. These are all free models in OpenRouter. And after making these changes, simply restart your terminal. Just restart your terminal, again type Claude. And now as you will see, it will simply say detected a custom API key in our environment. Do you want to use this API key? So I will simply say yes. And after that you type a message. And now basically it will simply say, hello, how can I help you today? So basically you can simply ask any kind of message. So I will simply say build a image to PDF web app with all options, advanced app, create a index.html file. So just see, I have asked a question right here and it will consume these tokens. So as you see, OpenRouter gives these tokens and it is consuming these tokens through Claude code. So it gives you around 1 billion tokens every day, which is more than enough to create unlimited applications. So as you see right here, it is consuming these tokens very quickly, and in the background it's creating your application. So by the title itself, how to set up Claude code to use 1 billion tokens every day. And once it is completed, you will see the app will be created automatically. Your index.html file will be created. So this will be an advanced image to PDF web application. So already 2000 tokens have been consumed, as you see that, and still as it is consuming it. So Claude code is really fast. So this is the ultimate setup, guys. This is a free website. Just follow the steps. Just paste your API key. I have given the code in the description. Simply paste it. And after that, you can create unlimited applications through Claude code using, you can use Claude, Sonnet, Opus, Fable through OpenRouter. So as you see, almost 4,000 tokens have been consumed, and the end result that it will give you will be a professional production ready application that you can instantly deploy. And through this setup, I actually have made thousands of applications. So this saves me a lot of time because I don't need to pay any kind of subscription. This is a completely free unlimited setup through which you can use Claude Code. So just create a .claude folder. Inside this create settings.local.json. I pasted the code in the description of the video. Simply paste it and replace your API key. That's all that you need to do. It's a just 2-minute setup and you will be able to use Claude Code for lifetime for completely free and unlimited. So as you can see, it's still building out. It's consuming almost 8,000 tokens and still it is building. So just wait. Once it is completed, your index.html file will be created. So it creates almost 1500 lines of code. I have seen it in the past whenever I ran the Claude Code through this setup. So it creates very complex applications. So I simply ask it in the prompt as well. I want an advanced tab with all the options. So that's why it is taking too much time. 1100,000 tokens, 11,000 tokens all. So you will see it has created the application and you will see your index.html file has been created. So it almost took 11,000 tokens. So now as you see, if I try to see the application, so it created this application for us almost 1200 lines of code. So it's just an advanced professional level application guys, ready in just 2 minutes. And if I try to open this application, you will see that it's advanced image to converter, and here you simply select your images. So where we have all the conversion options, page size, orientation, image quality, everything. You click on convert to PDF and then your images are converted. You see download PDF and you see all your images are successfully converted, and we have all these options: convert to grayscale, enable OCR, text resolution, add watermark. If I enable this option, I can also put a watermark. So it created a very professional level application guys. As you see, watermark is also, you can also protect your PDF by a password. So in this easy way guys, this is the ultimate setup. You get almost 1 billion tokens, and as you see, it also generated a description as well what the application has been created. It automatically gives you all the options. So almost, if I show you the total number of lines generated, so almost 1200 lines of code. So in this easy way, this is not limited to single application. Right here you can simply type build a complete PDF editor in PHP with all options. So you can build in any language. You specify what language you want to build the actual application. So this time we are building it in PHP. So in browser, so I simply type build a complete PDF editor in PHP. And now as you see, the speed is awesome guys. It is really insane. Claude Code is the #1 AI coding agent. It doesn't waste any time in consuming these tokens from OpenRouter. As you see, it started to consume the tokens, and after that, in 3 to 4 minutes, it will create a fully fledged PHP PDF editor. So in this easy way guys, you can actually set up Claude Code free unlimited using OpenRouter free API key. I have given pasted the code settings.local.json. So simply replace your free API key from OpenRouter and you are ready to go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe to channel.